You know what they say about data analysts. They excel at spreadsheets, but their social life is in cells, rows, and columns. It's all pivot tables, this, VLOOKUP that. But fear not, my office warriors. Today we're going to conquer the data beast with pivot tables and VLOOKUP. Picture a pivot table as a data whisperer, able to tame the wildest of data sets into a neat and organized summary. Imagine this. You've got a beast of data in front of you. How do you tame it? Simple. Select the data, stroll over to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. Now select the fields for the rows, columns and values area. In a flash, you've got a neatly organized pivot table. And just like that, you've tamed the data beast, and your pivot table is ready to impress. Now onto the Sherlock Holmes of Excel, the VLOOKUP function. Imagine you're a detective, hot on the trail of a missing number. You type =VLOOKUP. This is your magnifying glass. Next, you enter the lookup value, that's your suspect. You then specify the table array. Picture it as the city where your suspect is hiding. The column index number is the specific address, and finally the range lookup. Well, think of it as deciding whether to knock on the front door or to storm in through the back. You've got your tools, you've got your leads, now it's time to crack the case. And voila! You've found your suspect nestled neatly in a sea of numbers. So you've cracked the case, Sherlock. VLOOKUP is no longer a mystery. All right, you've survived the data jungle and emerged as a spreadsheet superhero. Let's revisit your comedic journey. You tamed the wild pivot table, transforming it into a purring data kitten. Then you donned your detective hat and solved the mystery of the elusive VLOOKUP. And what's the punchline? You mastering spreadsheets like a pro? So, next time you're faced with a spreadsheet, remember, it's not a horror story, it's a comedy sketch. Remember, folks, spreadsheets might be daunting, but with the right tools, they become more of a comedy than a tragedy. Stay tuned for more spreadsheet adventures.